Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As we have discussed in the previous class regarding the definition of consumer, as you can see over here, that the meaning of the consumer we have discussed according to the Consumer Protection Act. Dear students, under the Consumer Protection Act, we have discussed about the meaning of consumer, that who is known as consumer according to this. Now, as we know that previously consumers were continuously exploited by different seller or producers of the goods and services. So for protecting the consumers, the Consumer Protection Act 1986 has given 6 rights to the consumers, which are as follows. In which first is right to safety. Dear students, the consumers has the right to protect against product and services which are hazardous to health and life. Dear students, as we know that today uh, there are so many trademark or there are so many marks which are going to be issued or which are going to be sanctioned by the government. That mark will justify or that mark will certify that particular product is hazardous or not for health or for life. Like if we are talking about electronic items, so if we are talking about the electronic items, you can see that on the electronic devices ISI mark are given. So ISI mark proves that the product is well and useful and not hazardous for health and life. Simultaneously, if we consume anything like eatable items, that is like chips, kurkure, Maggie, or something else, so we often use, even though if we are using cake, bakery items, or in anything else, we find that there is a marker that is given as egg mark. So egg mark is the symbol of the process and manufacturing of goods, or especially eatable items, which proves that the product are safe for consumption. Now second right is, that is right to be informed. Dear students, consumer has the to right to have complete information about the product. It means if the consumer is purchasing any item, then they have the right that they can get the proper information regarding the product, like their quality, like their quantity, like the prices, like the date of manufacturing or date of expiry. Here one image is given. Through this image you can identify that if we are here, a image of Coca-Cola product is given. On that Coca-Cola product you can see the date of manufacturing, price of the item, and quality, and the expiry date. And also if it is sugar free, it is clearly mentioned. If it is not sugar free, it is clearly mentioned. So information must be given to the consumer. They have the right to know each and everything about the product before its use. Now next term, that is right to choose. Dear students, under the consumer rights, so the consumer has a right to choose any product out of the available product as per his own decision making. So many times, suppose that if we are going to purchase the sound system, there are so many companies who are doing the business in sound system. Now if the companies are doing the business in sound system, like Samsung, LG, Videocon, Philips, Panasonic, so the customers have the right that they can choose their product by their own decision. No one can compel, no one can force them to choose the product which they are suggesting. They can only give the suggestion. The representatives of the product can only suggest the person that which product will be better or not, but the decision will be the customers, and the customer will choose the product. Dear students, you can see the example given over here. In this picture you can see that a lady is moving in the shop and she wants to buy a microwave of a good quality. Then the representative of the shop is representing that a particular microwave before her. Now the lady is asking that yes, but no, give me give me that one with ISI mark. It means that lady is asking for those microwave which have ISI mark or which is approved by ISI mark. So the consumer has the right to choose. The decision will be that lady, not by the decision will be given by this representative, and this representative even though cannot force this lady to buy the microwave which is suggested by him. So dear students, here you can see that in the right of choose, the customers are free. They have the right that they can choose their product by themselves own. Now next right, that is right to be heard. Dear students, this is a big problem. Previously it was almost seen and it was almost in use that the people are suffering from, and there were no person who are ready to listen their grievances. Now consumer has the right to file a complaint to be heard in case of dissatisfaction with goods or services. Use all grievance cell. It means if today if the consumer are not satisfied with goods and services, they can complain to the related authority. Even though they can directly complain to the related department, if they are not listening, first of all, if they are not solving their grievances, then that person can move to the other authority who will hear the problem and who will try to sort out it. Now the next right, that is right to seek redressal. Dear students, under the right of seek redressal, consumer has the right to get relief in case of product or service falls short of his expectation or is dangerous. He may be provided by a replacement or removal of defect or compensation for any loss. Various redressal forums are set up by the government at national and state level as well as district level too. So dear students, today if the people are not satisfied, if they are suffering from the use of the particular goods and services, then they can demand for the replacement or removal. And if it does not happen, so they can use different forums set by the government at national level or state level or district level. So dear students, at various level the redressal forums have been established by the government so that they can be compensated if any defect arise. Now the next right, that is consumer right to consumer education. Dear students, consumer has the right to acquire knowledge and to be well informed throughout life. he should be made aware of his right and reliefs available to him in case of product or services falls short of his expectation. The government of India has included consumer education in the school curriculum and is making of media to make consumer aware of their rights. So dear students, today we are seeing that the consumers are facing a lot of problem, and due to this the government has started so many education program like Jago Grahak Jago, and we were with the fraudulent activities of the seller, and there are so many toll free numbers are given, and so many times it is seen that updation is given. I am taking one example. Suppose that if we are using mobile, so as we know that day to day mobiles are updating, and different terms are going to be used or launched by the mobile companies. So as you know that time to time there is a notification come, there is a notification arrive to your mobile that to update your mobile so that you can be benefited with the latest facility given by the different mobile companies. So dear students, this is the step, and this is occurring in the different business organization. This term is taking place in different business organization due to the right to consumer education. So dear students, now I think you have got it. Thank you.